What if one AI platform could build your website, create your marketing campaigns, generate professional designs, help with content creation, and handle tasks that normally require an entire team? Well, Google just introduced Pomelli, and today we are putting it to the ultimate test. Today I am going to try replacing an entire digital agency with one Google AI tool. Website creation, marketing campaigns, content creation, design work, and many more, you name it. Can Pomelli actually do it all? Let's find out. This isn't going to be a quick overview or a surface level review. We are going to explore every major feature Pomelli offers and see how it actually works. And most importantly, use it in a real world scenario. We will take a real brand, build assets for it from scratch, create marketing campaigns, generate creative content, design graphics, build a website, and test everything Pomelli can do step by step. So if you are curious about Google's newest AI platform and want to see it in action, stay with me because this is going to be a complete hands-on walkthrough. First things first, let's go to Google and type Pomelli. Okay, so here we are. The first link, that is Pomelli by Google Labs. We are going to click on it and open link in this new tab. Okay, so here we are, the starting interface of Pomelli. I am going to click on let's get started. So it's going to open a new tab where we will be taken to the interface of Pomelli. This is the interface of Pomelli where it says welcome to Pomelli, and it's saying that we can build our business DNA, get campaign ideas, generate product photoshoot, and brand books and website, and many more. So let's click on let's go. Now first things first, it's going to ask for your website, but we don't have a website. Let's assume that we don't have a website and we want to build everything from scratch. So it's very simple. If you have a website, you can just go to your website and just copy the URL of that website and paste it here, and Pomelli will generate your business DNA for you. But since we are doing everything from the scratch, we are going to click on no website yet. Okay, so now it's telling me build your business DNA. Now I would like to shortly brief you about what a business DNA basically is. A business DNA is basically extracting your business vibe, or what fonts you use, what colors do your business actually use, or what kind of a vibe your business actually gives. So for that, you can use a template if you want, but a template will basically give you a generic output. So since I am here to promote my own brand, I am going to click on from scratch. Okay, so if I click here, then it's going to open a new window for me where it's telling brand overview and business details. Okay, but now what we can do is we can all write here manually, but we are not going to do this manually because we have a Pomelli agent on our right side to do it for ourselves. What we can do is we can simply upload files in here, and Pomelli agent will extract information from my images or PDF or any kinds of format document I give it, and it will generate my business idea. So let's give it a test. I have created a folder where this is my brand, where we sell bakery items. So I'm going to upload all my PDFs here, all my images here. So let's just select all and then just click open. Okay, so you can see that it's uploading all my images, and it would take time because I have uploaded all the high-res images at the same time. And after uploading, we will see that it would analyze all the images and then generate the business DNA for me. It's saying extracting info for your business DNA. It would analyze all my pictures and then tell me that what kind of a vibe my business basically gives off. Okay, it has started analyzing. Finished. Okay, finished. Okay, one by one it's analyzing all the images. Okay, yes, so it has analyzed all my images, and now it's asking me, do you want to start generating my business idea? I will click generate business idea. So you will see that within the next few moments it will create a brand overview for me by just analyzing the images that I gave Pomelli. Okay, so as you can see that it has generated my fonts, what type of fonts I usually use. It has extracted the color types I basically use in my images. It has given me a tagline, what is sweetening life's most precious celebration and milestones. It has created brand values, brand aesthetics, which is to a great extent true. Okay, and there is a business review as well. Now there are also business details which I have to add manually, because in my images it wasn't mentioned. I can add locations here, I can add my phone number, social media links, and anything, and then hit on let's go. I want to show you another thing, that in this section you can edit anything that you did not like that was generated by your agent Pomelli. Say for example, I would like to say here that I did not like the business overview. Can you make it sound more appealing? Okay, so it's going to edit the business for me, business overview for me. Also, I have a tagline myself that is bliss in every bite. So I'm going to edit it manually. Okay, so it has given me 3 options. So we specialize in handler, sugar research, serves boutique dessert. Okay, so I would like to go for the option 1. Okay, so as you can see, it is already generated. Okay, great. So yes, we are going to click on let's go now. Okay, so now from here, since our business DNA is already generated, we can start doing any of the following now. So for the first one, I'm going to go with Photoshoot. Let's start doing a photoshoot with our brand. Here we can edit an image or generate an image, but we are not going to edit an image, because since we are doing everything from scratch, we are going to do a photo shoot here. Okay, so you can select your image here, which the Pomelli will use to do the photo shoot. If I click here, you can see that already all the images will already be available in here. So I'm just going to click on any one of the images. Say for example, let's give it some time to load, and say for example that I'm going to click on this image. Okay, I like this cake very much, so I'm going to do the photo shoot for this image or this brownie. Okay, so I'm going to hit on looks good. Okay, so it would take, I can also select that I want it in a story format or a square shape format or in a feed format like Instagram or Facebook. So let's just keep it now for a story format, and then from here you can choose template how you want. Do you want it like an ingredient or in use or contextual? So for me, I'm not going to give it a ingredient vibe. Let's just select a flat drop back, and let's just use contextual. Okay, let's go for this 4 and click on generate photo shoot. Okay, so it's going to generate a photo shoot for me. Let's give it some time. Okay, yes, so as you can see here that by utilizing my image, it has created beautiful images. I didn't personally like this one because this is it has become too much flat. I shouldn't have chosen the studio template, but the rest of them are pretty good, and especially this one, it's giving a very aesthetic vibe. You can change the format from here as well, and you can download this image and then use it for your own purpose. You can also have the option to edit it as well, just like here I showed you. Okay, so like this way you can generate a photo shoot by using Pomelli. Easy and simple. Okay, so going back, a photo shoot is no use for me if I can't do campaigns with it, right? So now I'm going to go to campaigns. Let's see what is in there in campaigns. So if I click on campaigns, you will see that from my images that I already uploaded it has generated some suggestions based on my business DNA. So if I can click any one of these, but I'm going to start a campaign from scratch. So if I click on images, and I can see that already these images are here. So let me just go for this one, and say for example this one, and hit update. Okay, so for this I'm going to create a campaign. Okay, so it's generating my campaign now. Let's just wait for some moments. Okay, so it has created a campaign brief where it has created a title, a description, goal. A goal is attracting customers. Okay, that's very much fair. And some descriptions. So I'm going to hit confirm here. Okay, then it's going to create my campaign. Yes, so it has created this beautiful cards in which you can see that it has created titles and taglines as well. So if I click on any of this, say for example this one, you can see that you can manually edit this thing as well, such as the header where it says share your joy. You can change the font, you can change the description, and you can also generate by giving it a prompt as well. You can download this image and use it and in your online campaigns as well. Okay, so if I go back, then we saw Photoshoot, we saw campaigns. There is one more thing that I'm going to walk through, that is the website. We did our campaigns, but we need websites to promote our campaigns, right? So it would, if you click on website, it would automatically generate a website by scanning your business ideas, campaigns, and Photoshoot. So let's give Pomelli some time to generate a website for my brand. Okay, yes, so as you can see, it has already generated a beautiful website for me. Okay, so this is my website. As you can see, your website is not published yet, but you can do any kinds of editing. If I hit this preview in the new tab button, it would show this website in a new tab where I can get a full view of my website. You can also do editings in here. Say for example, if you click on edit, then you can give prompt to Pomelli and it would do the necessary edits inside your website. So if I give it a prompt, say for example, remove the big picture of the cake from the home page and make it look like a clean website. Okay, so as you can see that it's editing my website again. That was volume 1 and this was volume 2. Okay, so now since I have given it a prompt, it has generated another version of my website, and if I click on preview in a new tab button, it would open a new tab for me where this is my new version of website. It has used my logo here, our stories, offering celebrations, rooted in community, family celebrations. It's a very sleek, aesthetic design website. Simple, gorgeous, precious. Okay, so you can do a little bit of editing, like there is a your link here word. You can just change it, give it some updates, update your link here. You can just update in here and you just paste your actual appointment link or order link or reservations link here and hit on apply. Okay, so that's how you can create a website very easily. And last but not the least, I'm going to walk through these 3 options where it's the overview. When we are setting up the business idea, we already saw it that it shows basically an overview of my business that I'm creating. There is a catalog where you can create a catalog from scratch. It is basically after selecting any one of the photos, say for example this one, it would if I give it a description like this, and if I write sugary thirst and then create on catalog, it will, from here it would get an idea about your brand, and then the same, you can create a campaign and create a photo shoot as well, just as we saw earlier. Okay, so now the only thing that remains is, okay, before that I'm going to show you the assets section, where you can see all your images and all your documents that you have uploaded in Pomelli so far. And last but not the least, our last option, that is the brand book. If you click on brand book, it would again take some time to load and analyze your business DNA and finally generate a brand book for you. What brand book is, it is a entire handbook or a document that specially summarizes your entire business idea. So in a short while we will see how our brand looks like. Okay, so it's telling me to choose a cover. I think this one looks cool, so let's click on confirm, and we have to select 2 images. Let's go for this one, let's go for this one, okay, and let's go for this one. Okay, yeah, so let's click on confirm. Okay, so you can see that this is our handbook. You can also download this as a PDF and open it in a new tab as well, just like this one. Okay, so yes, so this is our website. You can just hit publish here and get the link here, or click here to get the link, URL link copied, and then use this link for your website. And also for your brand book, you can just hit publish here, and then you download it as a PDF as well, or use this URL to use your brand book to send anyone. Okay, so yes, I think that's all. I have covered everything about Pomelli in here, and this is everything about our today's video. Today we explored its features, tested its capabilities in real time, and built assets for a real brand, created campaigns, worked on designs, and showed how Google's latest AI platform performs in practical situations. What's most interesting is not just what Pomelli can do today, but what tools like this could mean for the future content creation, marketing, web development, and business automation as well. Now I would like to hear your thoughts. Okay, do you think Pomelli is a game changer's AI platform, or do you think it still has a long way to go before replacing traditional workflows? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this workflow helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on notifications, because I will continue testing the latest AI tools, platforms, and technologies, so you don't have to spend hours figuring them out yourself. Take care. I will see you in the next one. Bye.